Welcome back, and I got a question. What's a Grail piece to you? I don't know if you even speak that language. I don't know if you believe in Grail pieces, but if you do, and if I did, I'd say this is one. I'm gonna bust this open for you in a minute. Got my hands on this goodie. Something heavy. This is for real. It's a wax moto jacket. I'm gonna bust this open for you, but first, I'm gonna start with the light stuff. Is that okay? You know, if you subscribe to my philosophy, you know the basics are essential if you really want to build a solid wardrobe. And I got my hands on some basics. And you know, I got my X-Acto knife. Let's do it. Why waste time? So I had to snatch one of these up. Summer's coming. You know I'm trying to get heavy. All right, from the good people at eBay. Boom. Let me inspect this. I'm just popping this open, so let's inspect. It's a small custom fit, so that's perfect. I like it. This passes my inspection. I'm happy with it. It's gray. It's a nice neutral color. It's gonna mix well. This is a button down. What? I thought I bought two of these, so I must have a delayed shipment. I thought I bought two of these from one seller. Maybe it was two different sellers, but anyway, I should have a package coming. Throw it on the hanger. Ta-da! Let me inspect it. Make sure it's good. And this is classic fit small, and I've always stayed away from classic fit, but I'm finding out that classic fit works. If you want to like put a sweater under it, I'm on that sweater tip. Like I put a crew neck sweater beneath a button down, and it's crazy, very Ralph, and it works with the classic fit. If I'm not gonna play anything beneath, then the custom fit small is my deal. But this is perfect. I'm happy with it. All right, bear with me, y'all. We are getting to the good stuff. I'm just saving the best for last. Let's pop this open. Gray crew neck sweater, 100% cotton. That's my twist right here. I don't have any dark gray sweaters, so there is a home for you. You know, I got plans for this thing right here. I'm checking it out. I mean, it looks good. It's in good condition. eBay special. I'm happy with it. I got it for the low, and it does pass inspection. So far we got this one. This one, I thought I bought a black one too, but I don't see it anywhere. And it's here. All right, so those are kind of basic. And this is the real deal. This is what I'm excited about. So let's bust this open. I don't want to waste time. Was it worth the wait? If I believed in Grails, this would be it. The waxed moto jacket. Incredible. This is crazy. I'm feeling this. And I got this directly off of .com, by the way. This one was not an eBay purchase. This is crazy. And you know, one of my RL people helped me out. I appreciate that. Good look. But I'm excited about this, man. And I could even play this with you know, everything over here. It all works. I'm excited. Let me inspect this thing. Show you the inside. Got the sweet tartan lining. Got some pockets in here with leather accents. I guess these are for like to breathe. I don't know what they call these, vents maybe. The corduroy collar. Oh man, this thing's sweet. These buckles on the back with like the texture. It's crazy. And I think this might be leather, you know, at the bottom of the collar. I mean, it's just a beautiful jacket. I don't regret this purchase one bit. I can't wait to stick it on the rack with the rest of my jackets. This is inspirational. It makes me want to grab more fly jackets. So yeah, the RL collection is growing. This is my Grail piece. What is Grail to you? I'm curious to know. Thanks for sharing this moment with me. I'm out.